She has asked the waiter for the bill.
She has asked the waiter for the bill.
She asked the waiter for the bill.
She asked the waiter for the bill.
He has gone to the store.
She has gone to the store.
He went to the store.
She went to the store.
I have never seen that movie.
I have never seen that movie.
I never saw that movie.
I never saw that movie.
They have won several awards.
They have won several awards.
They won several awards.
They won several awards.
She has already left the office.
She has already left the office.
She left the office.
She left the office.
He has helped me a lot.
She has helped me a lot.
He helped me a lot.
She helped me a lot.
I have bought fruits from the market.
I have bought fruits from the market.
I bought fruits from the market.
I bought fruits from the market.
She has spoken to the manager.
She has spoken to the manager.
She spoke to the manager.
She spoke to the manager.
I have washed the clothes.
I have washed the clothes.
I washed the clothes.
I washed the clothes.
I have ridden the horse.
I have ridden the horse.
I rode the horse.
I rode the horse.
They have finished the project.
They have finished the project.
They finished the project.
They finished the project.
She has practiced the piano.
She has practiced the piano.
He practiced the piano.
She practiced the piano.
She has taken the train to work.
She has taken the train to work.
She took the train to work.
She took the train to work.
She has walked to the park.
She has walked to the park.
She walked to the park at 5 p.m.
She walked to the park at 5 p.m.
I have run 5 miles.
I have run 5 miles.
I ran 5 miles yesterday.
I ran 5 miles yesterday.
I have made the bed.
I have made the bed.
I made the bed earlier this morning.
I made the bed earlier this morning.
She has attended the meeting.
She has attended the meeting.
She attended the meeting yesterday.
She attended the meeting yesterday.
She has sung the song at the concert.
She has sung the song at the concert.
She sang the song at the concert.
She sang the song at the concert.
He has given me the book.
She has given me the book.
He gave me the book.
She gave me the book.
I have eaten the dinner.
I have eaten the dinner.
I ate the dinner at 9 p.m.
I ate the dinner at 9 p.m.
We have arrived at the airport.
We have arrived at the airport.
We arrived at the airport at 6 a.m.
We arrived at the airport at 6 a.m.
They have watched the game on TV.
They have watched the game on TV.
They watched the game on TV.
They watched the game on TV.
She has finished her homework.
She has finished her homework.
She finished her homework at 6 p.m.
She finished her homework at 6 p.m.
They have gone to the park.
They have gone to the park.
They went to the park.
They went to the park.
She has enjoyed the movie.
She has enjoyed the movie.
She enjoyed the movie.
She enjoyed the movie.
I have written a letter.
I have written a letter.
I wrote a letter.
I wrote a letter.
She has traveled to Paris.
She has traveled to Paris.
She traveled to Paris.
She traveled to Paris.
We have not seen that movie.
We have not seen that movie.
We did not see that movie.
We did not see that movie.
He has opened the gifts.
He has opened the gifts.
He opened the gifts.
He opened the gifts.
She has cleaned the house.
She has cleaned the house.
She cleaned the house.
She cleaned the house.
They have visited the museum.
They have visited the museum.
They visited the museum last month.
They visited the museum last month.
I have played soccer.
I have played soccer.
I played soccer.
I played soccer.
I have called my friend.
I've called my friend.
I called my friend.
I called my friend.
He has studied for the exam.
He has studied for the exam.
He studied for the exam.
He studied for the exam.
She has slept.
She has slept.
She slept at 9 p.m.
She slept at 9 p.m.
I have cooked dinner for the family.
I have cooked dinner for the family.
I cooked dinner for the family.
I cooked dinner for the family.
He has met his friends at the cafe.
He has met his friends at the cafe.
He met his friends at the cafe.
He met his friends at the cafe.
I have read that book.
I have read that book.
I read that book.
I read that book.
We have painted the walls.
We have painted the walls.
We painted the walls.
We painted the walls.
I have heard the news on the radio.
I have heard the news on the radio.
I heard the news on the radio.
I heard the news on the radio.
He has worked on an important task.
He has worked on an important task.
He worked on an important task.
He worked on an important task.
She has arrived late.
She has arrived late.
She arrived late.
She arrived late.
I have sent the emails.
I have sent the emails.
I sent the emails.
I sent the emails.
I have drunk coffee.
I have drunk coffee.
I drank coffee.
I drank coffee.